Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Give some subscribe and support to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to check on gauge fuel in Bell 429 helicopter. First of all, battery switch on. Wait for some time. Press warning and caution button. Again press caution button. Now come to display number 2. Press system button and press system 2/2 button. Press fuel / weight and balance button. Now you can see the total fuel 1436 lbs, showing in lbs not liter. Total fuel 1436 lbs. Okay, now switch off the battery. Thank you.